So check it out. Here's another locomotive that was included in the recent collection that I bought. This is Lionel NW2 MPC era switcher. It was missing one of the marker lights here on the front was broken off, and the horn was broken off, so I was able to get some reproduction ones from Trainz on eBay, and so I put my order in with a few other parts that I needed, and they arrived today, so I got them put in, and they're pretty close reproductions to the originals. They look really good. So also I had to put a traction tire on this, and I'll tell you what a job that was to fish that in there, but I finally got it on. It took me probably a good 20 minutes. Don't ask me how I did it. I'm just glad that it's on there. But it's not a bad little puller. I got quite a few cars behind it. So I thought we'd take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. I had to put a new headlight in it as well. I'm guessing from that collection that this is the last thing whoever owned it before purchased. So it's the only one of the piece from MPC era that I found. And this time around we'll pick the camera up. Just kind of follow it around. Gotta get my tracks cleaned out so I can run 5 trains again. I got trains all over the place. My military trains, and there's a Marks Union Pacific right there. I got a pretty good deal on. I also got another Train Sounds tender that I had to change out the potentiometer in, and it really improved the volume of it. Now I'll put the camera back down. Kind of a neat red glow from the marker lights. All right, not a bad running little locomotive. So for $150, I got quite a collection of trains. I got the 225E from the 847W set. I got the Ives locomotives, and I got another 2036, and there's another one that I'm trying to restore, a 2036. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.